What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So that was fun last night. It went live. It kind of did a wing it thing. I was going to maybe try to go live with Matt Money, either on his channel or mine. And I'm really looking forward to having a collaboration with him. So that'll be my first collaboration ever going live. But I really want to go over this mortgage-backed real estate investment trust that's very underrated. By the way, I just woke up. I'm just making sure the coffee's trying to kick in. They have a decent revenue, and their dividend trends are pretty good. And I just want to go over the changes that happen with these guys. And I'm very happy with these guys as a dividend stock in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So I'll go over these guys, but if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Smash that like button. Let's check this REIT out right now. That REIT is Rithm Capital Corp. It's sitting at 933. Average volume 3.33 million. The market cap is 4.29 billion US dollars. Year range is 818 to 1181. Its day range is 920 to 936. And its previous close was 919. So I'll go over the dividend yield. And remember, PE ratio isn't, the biggest thing with real estate investment trusts. FFO and AFFO are more important. So let's go over these guys. Remember, these guys are the former NRZ. Rithm Capital is a leading provider of capital and services to the real estate and financial service sectors. We provide a wide range of investors and consumers and our focus on generating attractive risk-adjusted returns while having a positive impact on the people we reach. So here's some quick facts. We believe the scale and composition of our investments in operating companies provide Rithm in a competitive advantage. Our business mix and overall strategy help us to generate attractive returns with a balanced risk-return portfolio. So $7 billion net equity, $4.1 billion total dividends to shareholders since inception, $35 billion assets, 3.2 mm customers, 12.28, that's the book value, and 10.7% dividend yield. So, most important thing, so they have operating companies and investments. We work directly with the leaders in our operating companies to build stronger, more sustainable businesses in the long term. So they have New Res Mortgage. Obviously, this is a mortgage-backed REIT, so you see the mortgage lender. These are some pretty good companies, by the way. I did a little bit of digging. The other thing they said, at Rithm, our goal is simple: to drive strong and sustainable returns to our investors throughout the changing market conditions. We apply a highly disciplined approach to acquiring and operating our businesses and managing our unique portfolio of assets. So they have opportunistic growth strategy, long-term value creation, and a diversified portfolio. So let's go over their portfolio. And their investment portfolio is 42% servicing, 11% real estate securities, 26% MSR-related investments, 5% properties and residential mortgage loans, 9% origination, and 7% mortgage loans receivable. So their investment portfolio has been purposely built and sized to generate reliable returns in any rate environment. So diversity is important, but how have they done revenue-wise? We want to see how these guys have done as a company. So here's the revenue in millions US dollars. 2015, 645, 2016, 1,194, 2017, 1,944, 2018, 2,192, 2019, 1,962, 2020, ouch, huge hit during the pandemic, 268.328, 2021, 1,795.097. So let's go over their most recent revenue trends. So here's our quarterly financials. September revenue was up 774.08 million, net income 161.68 million, diluted EPS 0.3, net profit margin 20.89, operating income was down, net change in cash was up 380.84%. Then came December 2021. Revenue 871.38 million, it was up 153.79%. Net income was up, it was 182.93 million, it was up 120.49%. Diluted EPS 0.33, which was up 94.12%. Net profit margin went down 20.99%. Operating income went up 205.35 million at 22.45. Net change in cash minus 32.98 million. Then we go to March. Revenue went up 1.79 billion. Net income went up 684.32 million. Diluted EPS 1.32 went up. Net profit margin was up 39.07. Operating income 892.41 million. Net change in cash 437.77 million. And then in June, the revenue went up 1.26 billion. Net income went down 19.15 million. Diluted EPS minus 0.01. Net profit margin went down 91.01%. It was at 1.52. Operating income 504.15 million. Net change in cash negative 21.41 million. So looking at this, the revenue trends, it appears to be some stability, but the biggest risk is with mortgage-backed real estate investment trusts is they can take a huge hit and take a huge nosedive, and sometimes it takes a while to recover. And sometimes they have to do a reverse stock split like IVR to try to be attractive to investors. But these guys look pretty strong and they're less than $10. Now I'm going to go over their dividend history. I wish Zach's going to hook me up with this, but here's their dividend history. I'm on NASDAQ.com. 2013, it was 7 cents. Then it hit 17 cents. Then 2014, it hit 38 cents. Then 2015, it hit 46 cents. Then 2017, it was 48 cents to 50 cents. Then 2020 hit a huge dip right there. Blame the pandemic. I'm going to blame the pandemic. So it's at 10 cents. Then it jumped to 15. Then it's at 25. So hopefully eventually they will recover. But you see a huge dip because of the pandemic and the revenue was shot. So you see a dividend cut and then they change from NRZ to Rithm, RITM. Hopefully I got that right. And now I still like the way that these guys are making a comeback. So I'm going to continue to buy the stock. This one's down big time. And I like that with these guys. So I'm going to start buying a little bit more on M1 Finance. Now, if I can get to 400 shares with these guys, holy cow, man, that revenue to buy other shares in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio is going to be solid. So I just wanted to show you these guys. Again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. This is Dark Dividend. You guys have a great Saturday. And I'm going to post a video tomorrow for you guys.